Look no further than the 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This versatile three-row Pathfinder delivers muscular capability and quiet comfort. Epic family road trips, towing, carpooling, and weekend drives are peaceful and relaxing in this can-do SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, remote engine start, backup camera, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, power liftgate, fog lamps. Take every project in stride with this versatile Pathfinder. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.